Hello little artists. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.